Hi, this is Alika Bai. Today I'm here reporting from Ashiho Chamai Battalion. It's one of the designated camps for NSN. I am here in Manipur. So today Nagas living in Manipur have reached out to the cadres of NSN IM in terms of handing over relief materials during these difficult times when the whole world is fighting against the COVID-19 pandemic. And this is the second phase where they have reached out to the cadres of this NSN-IM. Earlier, they have already handed over the materials, another camp based in Senapati district. And this is one way of reaching out to them in support of solidarity during these difficult times.
It's a precious moment for me and you. Let's have a good time. Though we are locked down, with our loved ones.
Nakoi bu satisfied to naba akoi na materials piba ngamde, equipment piba ngamde adu arsu akoi physically chalaga game da chalaga akoi myam si lady environment lady situation myam da akoi unitedly ishor gaming da leimin naba hozik haidiba COVID-19 ase came myam da military came myam da hozik progressively positive taste of them thorakpa problem myam si global level gi werpa matam da ishor gi mingda akoi karisu toroi akoi myam hingmin nagani akoi myam national coastal lemmin nagani ishona akoi punamak pugai tobi gani with that hope with that kind of intention da akoi lakpani akoi na nakoi da karigumba game da nakoi gi da akoi na karisu tobu lei tobi bangamba leite dubu nakoi myam bu uraga asingba yamna crucial eba human history da amuk hanna thengna daba asingba COVID-19 gi pandemic tholpa matam da satlaga nawai unaba haina khoina Colonel Abraham Amusumagi officer request obam tam da akoi bu myam nungsina noina welcome to viva nakoi punamak pu naga people singi on behalf da thank you haina Colonel Amusum akoi gi rank and file SC battalion gi leaders deliver nakoi punamak pu akoi myam na thagali ngase akoi na khaina khrabusu ishoda akoi national goal amakhat leri national solution amakhat akoi hoji katna thi leri punamak sisu lockdown na maram oraga akoi gi peace process su chatpa yadaba punamak si gi situation da athuba matam da lockdown si loiraga COVID-19 se gi problem si loiraga akoi national solution thiraga nongma akoi chu to live with dignity and honor adugma nation ama adugma society ama oiba ngamnaba akoi punamakna isor gi mingda adum orna to minaba asinatra atopalite haiba message adu khak pige na salpune
We have come here to say that we're with you. Since you people are on the front line and ready, ever ready to set the blood for the people and the nation. And as we have come, we have nothing but we have arranged little items of foodstuff and other gardening equipments and so on and so forth. We did not bring all those just because we have enough. We don't have anything, but to show our solidarity, to show our love, our concern to all of you.
Our loved one, it's a precious moment for me and you. Let's have a good time. Though we are locked down, with our loved one. It's a precious moment for you and me.
Sally Kapai, reporting for Econ TV.